Hello everyone, how are you all? So Anu ma'am is again with another session of English online class. I hope you must have revised all the sounds and writing of A to Z. So now today I am going to start a very important topic in English, cursive writing. Now children, you are not going to write the way you used to write in LKG. You are going to use the cursive pattern to write all the letters of English. See, right now you are going to learn the formation of all the cursive pattern of each and every letter. And the same is going to continue in your further class. When you will come in class 1, 2, 3, 4, you have to use this cursive pattern to write all your subjects. So, it is very necessary to follow all the instructions given by your Anu ma'am. See, cursive pattern is very interesting and very creative to write if you have interest in it. First of all, when you are writing a cursive pattern, the first point is you should have a very sharp pencil. Your pencil should be properly sharpened. Is it clear? And second thing is, cursive is not written in a big form. If you are writing cursive in a big form, that is not the correct formation. So today I am going to start the writing of cursive letters. Now I am not going to start with A. I am going to start with the easiest cursive letter so that a flow develops in your writing. When the flow will develop in your writing, you will be able to write any of the cursive letter. So, always the cursive is written in these English papers with 4 lines. This is the basic. From here we make you learn how to write cursive in 4 lines. When you are opening an English copy, you must be seeing these 4 lines: red line, blue line, and red line. To learn how to write cursive, you must follow where to write the letters. Is it going to start with red line or is it going to start with blue line? So first letter which I am going to teach you today is U. U for umbrella. I am going to teach you. Now see, I am writing it with the help of a chalk. But after that, I'll teach you how to write with the help of a pencil in notebook. Always start the writing of letter from the corner of the line. You will always get these lines drawn in your copy when I'll teach you how to write the cursive letter. So starting, see, just listen what ma'am is saying. Starting from the corner, that is blue line, where the dot is there. You have to start it from there. Starting from the corner, up, down, up, down, tick. This is the pattern of U. And this you have to write down in between blue line. Between blue line. Again we are going to do starting from the corner, up, down, and tick. This is the correct formation of U. Is it clear? So once again we write starting from the corner, up, down, turn, up, down, tick. So this is U. I know for the first time you are writing the cursive pattern, so you must follow 2 instructions mainly. The pencil should be very sharp and whenever you are writing any letter, don't lift your hand. You have to write down the letter in one flow. Don't lift your hand, otherwise the proper formation will not come. See, if you are writing it like this, starting from the corner, up, then again you are lifting your pencil, down, again you are lifting your pencil. So this will be a wrong way. You have to write down in one stroke. You are not going to lift the pencil in between. And this is not the way of writing you. I know some of you are going to write this way, but you are not going to write. This is the wrong pattern. So you can see once very close how I have written. The formation of U starting from the corner, up, down, turn, up, down, tick. Starting from the corner, up, down, turn, up, down, tick. And this you have to write between blue line. Your pencil should be sharp, and each time you are going to write the U letter in one stroke. You are not going to lift the pencil again and again. And you are not going to make it like this. This is the wrong pattern. And this one is the correct pattern. So is it clear to you all how to start the writing pattern in cursive? So always remember, your pencil should be sharp. You are not going to lift the pencil in between, and you are not going to make big formations. The formation should be very sleek. Now let me tell you how to write in your notebook.